Namaskar. Today we learn how to give the assignments, holiday homework and class tests, and how to check with the help of Google Classroom. Just start. First we have to log in. This is my login ID t.1890 shilpi.this one. Just log in. Now this one is open. Then we have to go the Google Classroom. There are 9 dots. Click on here. Then there is Classroom. Now we have to click where we want to give the assignment. I am click here 12th Commerce. Here we have to choose the class. Then in the top there second option classwork. After that we have to click on create. When we click on create, there are more than option. The first one is assignment, second is quiz, question, material and reuse post. The assignment, it means if we want to give the PDF file. If you want to give the quiz assignment, it means it's a Google form. The next one is question. If you want to give the particular question only, then with the help of third option we can choose. If we want to share the some PPTs, PDF files, doc files, then we choose material. And the last option, this one is the reuse post. It means if we are already posted and we are share again, then we use reuse post. Then first we are assignment. We give the assignment. Click on here. Give the title. For example, this is the related to Python. Then this is the optional. If you want to give the instructions, then click on add. I give the file. Then upload from my PC. Click here. This is the assignment. Then upload. The assignment is uploaded. Their option. The student all view this file and can edit and make copy for each student. Then we have choose the first option because we don't want student may edit. Then first option, student only can view. Then there are right side options. They are the points. If we want to give the maximum points, the 100 of this assignment, and there is date, due date. Okay, if we want to give the particular time limit foundation, then we can choose this option. Okay, for example, if we want the student will submit till 14th of June and time it is maybe 5 p.m. This is the limitation of time. This is also useful when we create exam purpose. Okay, if we are give the question paper and we want a particular time, then we are give the limit. Then create topic. For example, this is the Python 1. This is the heading. Then there are more options. The first one is rubric. This is used when we divide the marks into some topics or some particular things. For example, if an assignment is related to programming, then if we want to divide the 100 marks into 5 parts, it means logic, reasoning, then it is very useful. In a language, we can also divide the 100 marks depend on grammar, vocabulary. It means we are divided the 100 marks. Then we use this option. The next option is this one. It means this way. It is useful when we are check the originality of report. It means if the students are using the copy and paste from the Google, then it will show the original link from where the particular student give the answer with the help of web. It means this is useful when the particular student are using the internet or Google to give the assignments. It will be reflected. Okay. Then if I give this one, then it will show the which portion of assignment is taken from the where. It's owned by student or taken from the other web links. Okay. Then next one is assign. In the top, the right side is the drop down link. If I click, this is the assign. If I click on assign, it means this assignment is at a time will be assigned to the this particular class. If I click on schedule, then we are giving the date and time when this assignment is to be given to the particular student. Okay, this is useful when we want to give the question. For example, if we want to take the class test, then we schedule. This one is we want to take the class test tomorrow, it means 22 June, then timing is 11 a.m. Okay, it means at this time this assignment link will be published and it is visible to the students, and the time limit is also given. This is useful if you want to give the class test. Okay, this is the schedule. Otherwise, click this assignment will be given to the all the students of a class. Okay, this one is done. The similar if we want to give holiday homework, I click on assignment because holiday homework is also assignment. I click holiday homework. The method is same, add, then file, choose the file. This is the holiday homework, then open, upload. Done. There again same things. This one is give date and time. If you want to give the particular date, click. You want to give the holiday homework till 25th of June. Then this one is done. Time is optional. If you want to give the this one, I write Python. Okay. Then assign. The both will be given to the assign to this one. Okay. There is given the date is holiday homework due date is 25th of June, and Python, this is the assignment of the date is due date is 24th of June till 5 p.m. Okay. Then we have to check if the student submit the assignment, then how to check the assignment or holiday homework. Just check. Now we want to check, then click here. This is the classwork. Then click here. This one is, we have assigned 9 students. The 1 student is turned in. The 8 is not given the assignment holiday homework. Similar, we can check this one. The 1 is turned in. It means the 1 assignment is submitted. The 8 is remaining. Then check. Click here. That this one is, click here. Then we can check the assignment or holiday homework. This one is loading the holiday homework that is submitted by the student. This one is given by the student. The name will be displayed on the left top. This, the name of the student is student 1. This is a dummy student. This assignment or holiday homework is submitted. We can also give the comment, or if we want to give the some information. I have this one, mark this portion. It is similar to the copy correction, and we write the comment. If this comment, it will be visible to the student. If we write, I just give this comment. For example, if we want some modification and some information, we have to given to the student. Then comment. Okay. Then check again. These are the main. For give the comment, we have to click this plus sign, this one, then highlight the portion where we want to give the comment. This portion. So these are the comments. Okay. Then we give the comments. Then after this, we have to give the grade. I give the grade. This one. If we want to give the some other comment in overall assignment and holiday homework, then we can also give this one. Then the assignment or holiday homework is checked. Then we have to return to the student after the correction. It is similar to the copy correction. Then we have to click the right side option. This is the return. Then this one is name of the student, 80 out of 100. Then click on return. The similar, we can check the class test also and give the marks. Okay, this copy is corrected. Then again go to this one is done. Now again return to the classroom. If you want to check the grade, then click here. This one is the grade. This one, the holiday homework. The one student is submitted, then marks will be displayed. This is the 80 out of 100. The other is not submitted. The similar, this is written. It means the student is also submit the assignment. We can here then view submission. And again we can check the copy of this student. Then this one is open. This is the assignment. Again check with the help of plus sign and give the comments. Again this one similar. Then we can also download with the help of top right side. There is a download option. Then grade the give the grade and return. After the grading, and return. Okay, this one, this person, then this one, grade the this one, then return to the students. Okay. The benefit of this one, the assignment and the holiday homework that is submitted by the student will be stored in the Google Drive. In any time, we can easily find or download the files that is submitted by the students. Then we can also check the grades in any time. This one is the grades of student. 80 out of 100, then 90 in the this one. Okay, we can easily do this one. Then again go to the class. This one is 18 assigned, 1 is graded because we have checked the one copy. The similar in the Python, this is assignment, 1 is graded. This okay. This one is also useful whenever we need the grade. Then we can also download this grade in the form of Excel and CSV file. Okay, I think it is clear how to give the assignments, holiday homework, and class test, and how to check the copies and return to the student. Then after returning, the student is capable and maybe display and watch what is the error have been done by the student. Okay, this is the about the assignments. Thank you and have a nice day.